Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to cash out your Web3 wallet on Coinbase. Now just get your Coinbase wallet address for whatever crypto you want, let's say Ethereum. And once you have that, you go to your Web3 wallet. You can come here, click on a swap. You can choose your coin. Okay, make sure you choose the correct wallet that you're sending it to. Choose your coin, the network, click on transfer, and basically choose where you're going to be swapping it. So let's say to Ethereum. Enter the amount, okay, send it over. Once it is on Coinbase, what you can do, you can sell it, okay, for fiat currency directly to your bank account, let's say US dollars or any currency you use. Of course, you can also sell these in the peer-to-peer markets directly to your bank account or other payment methods as well. So really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.